Welcome to Stiles Machinery's Rebuild Services, located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm standing here in front of our Rebuild Center. Our staff is committed to providing the highest quality products to keep your machine running longer. With over 100 years of combined experience, our factory-trained and certified technicians are the most qualified in the industry. Each spindle motor is completely disassembled, thoroughly cleaned, and fully inspected. Exclusive OEM replacement parts are utilized to build your motor to exact factory standards. Comprehensive testing, precision grinding, and dynamic balancing ensures proper function and confirms world-class quality, which enables us to offer a same-as-new warranty. Understanding how critical it is to keep your machine running, we stock hundreds of rebuilt spindle motors that are able to ship the same day you need them. Stiles Rebuild Services is dedicated to keeping your machine up and running, whatever you need and whenever you need us.